Ever had your Wi Fi crash just when you need it most? You're on a Zoom call, your favorite show, or scrolling memes, and boom, buffering. Why does Wi Fi always fail at the worst possible time? Stick around because we're about to break it down and show you how to stop it from ruining your day. Wi Fi is pretty simple when you break it down. It's basically a wireless signal that lets your devices connect to the internet. Your router sends radio waves that carry data to your devices faster than you can say streaming, right? These signals travel at the speed of light. Pretty awesome, but they're also easily interrupted. So, what can go wrong? Distance. If you're too far from the router, that Wi Fi signal starts to fade away. Your device may not get enough data to work properly. Obstacles. Things like thick walls, microwaves, or even fish tanks can block those precious signals. Interference. Your neighbor's Wi Fi, that old microwave, or other electronic devices might mess with your connection. Ever notice Wi Fi slowing down when your microwave's running? Now you know why. Did you know Wi Fi actually has two frequencies? 2.4 gigahertz is like the tortoise, slower but can travel further. 5 gigahertz is the hare, super fast but can only reach short distances. So, if you're binge watching in the basement, you might want to switch to 2.4 gigahertz. But if you're sitting next to your router, go for 5 gigahertz. It's faster, but you won't get as far. Why turning it off and on works. It's like giving your Wi Fi a quick nap. Sometimes it just gets overwhelmed and needs to reset. Your router is like an overworked employee. After a while, it gets bogged down with too many tasks. Turning it off and on gives it a fresh start, clearing up the glitches and letting it work faster for you. Now that you know why Wi Fi breaks, here's how to fix it. Move closer to the router. The farther you are, the weaker the signal. Put your router in an open space. Walls and cabinets are your Wi Fi's worst enemy. Switch frequencies. Use the right frequency. 5 gigahertz for fast speeds, 2.4 gigahertz for longer range. Upgrade your router. If your router's more than 5 years old, it's time for an upgrade. It's like using a flip phone in the era of 5G. Now you're a Wi Fi expert. Next time your Wi Fi drops, you'll know exactly why and how to fix it in minutes.